Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can remove malware for free without reinstalling Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Okay, so follow these steps precisely, right? First, you're going to want to disconnect from the internet, right? Disconnect to prevent malware from spreading or communicating with its server. Then next, enter safe mode, right? Boot into safe mode to disable most malware from running. Then press the Windows plus the I to go to Update and Security, then Recovery, and select Restart Now under Advanced Startup. Now, after restarting, navigate to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and then the Startup Settings, and then press 4, or F4 for safe mode. Now, you can also use free malware removal tools, so you can download and run reliable free anti-malware software. You have Malwarebytes free, right? Excellent for on-demand scans and malware removal. You have Bitdefender Antivirus Free Edition. That's silent and effective with proactive scanning. You have Avast Free Antivirus, which offers additional features like Wi-Fi vulnerability scanning. If necessary, use specialized tools like Tron Script, which automates malware removal and system cleanup. Then you can check for suspicious processes, right? Open Task Manager, then Control plus Shift plus Escape, and look for unfamiliar or resource-heavy processes, right? End tasks that are clearly malicious. Remove malicious files and software. Navigate to the C, then the users, right? And then your username, then the /appdata/roaming, to enable the hidden files, and delete suspicious folders created after the infection date. Uninstall known programs via Control Panel. Clear temporary files. Use Windows built-in storage sense or a tool like the CC Cleaner to delete temporary files and caches. Reset browsers, right? Remove malicious extensions and reset your browser, settings to default. Perform a full scan. You can run a comprehensive scan using your chosen anti-malware tool in safe mode. Now, here's an optional one, but before I talk about this optional step, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Moving on to the optional one, you can repair system files. Use tools like Fortect to repair damaged Windows files caused by malware. Now, by following these steps, you can effectively remove malware from your PC without needing to reinstall Windows. Now, we talked about it a little bit, but there are some, here are the best free malware removal tools for Windows, just in case you missed it the first time. You have the, Avera free antivirus that offers, real-time protection, malware removal, and even includes a VPN in its free package. Malwarebytes, right? It provides a 14-day trial of its premium version with a real-time scanning and ransomware protection. After the trial, it reverts to a basic free version for malware removal. You have the Bitdefender Antivirus Free Edition, right? It's an award-winning tool with excellent malware detection rates and cloud-based scanning for reduced system impact. You have Total AV, which offers a free 7-day trial with perfect malware removal abilities and a smart scan feature. You have the Sophos Hitman Pro, a Windows exclusive tool that doesn't require installation and offers a 30-day free license for malware removal if threats are detected. You have additional features. Avera includes advanced threat detection and privacy protection tools. Bitdefender offers web filtering and phishing protection in its free version. You have the Total AV, which provides a lightweight package with efficient scanning capabilities. You have the Sophos Hitman Pro that can remove various types of malware, including viruses, rootkits, and spyware. Okay, so again, that's how you can remove it, right? Please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button if you were educated, entertained, and you gained value from this video. If you got what you came here for, you're excited, and you want more content like this, please hit that subscribe button and the like button right now. Also, let me know if you have better steps that you would do for this process in the comment section below. So, see you on the next video.